What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be swapping out that OEM for this Z-tube right here, and let's get started. You're gonna have to remove the engine cover, so all it is these bolts right here. Just pull up on the engine cover and it'll come right off. After this, you just undo these screws. Excuse the little silicone on the tube, it was just for a little tear. After this, you just remove the map sensor and then you undo these screws right here. It should be like 2. That might be clips on yours, mine has screws. You just take that off. And after that, you should have enough clearance to remove this part right here. The little air box, you just take that off. Next, you undo this little part right here. After this, what you want to do is get this little bolt right next to it. Getting to like 4,000 almost.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 3,000 something. The key fob one.
I'll leave this right. Oh fuck. I'll leave it here. So.
Alright. Cool.
Now it should just slide out. Don't forget to take off that little tube right there. That should come out right easily too. Alright, now that we have everything out, we can install the Z-tube.
So we just connect it.
Yeah, it's perfect. And because it should.
Next, you just slide in the filter, the air box. It should go right in.
Yeah, I forgot to get a filter. I need a filter.
It's actually easier now.
Oh, it's easy?
Yeah, it's way easier.
Oh, is it?
Alright, so all you gotta do now is just put it on the engine cover and you're pretty much done. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Leave a like and comment down below if it helped. Here's how it looks after we're done. I will be doing a sound test right now. Thank you guys for watching and let me know your thoughts on what I should do next.